I wanted to give you guys a quick update on my oil filter wrench print, I should say. I don't know if you remember the last video, my oil filter was stuck on, so I showed you a quick print of what I was printing at the time, trying to get the oil filter off. Well, it was a complete fail. I shouldn't say complete fail. It printed really nice. The problem is, I think I just had some shrink on it. It's supposed to be about 65 millimeters. The measurement here, just a bit over 64, just a tiny bit. So it just wouldn't fit on the oil filter. So what I'll probably do next time is increase the print in my slicer by 1%, maybe 2%. I don't know. I'm going to mess around and see. But it really turned out good. Just wouldn't quite fit. Let me see if I have a new filter, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so here's the new filter, and this is just like the filter that's on the car. But as you can see, it just doesn't fit. Just doesn't want to fit. So close yet so far away. So yeah, probably 2%. I'll increase the size next time. But let's take a look at it printing anyway, because you know what? That's awesome. So hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.